Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. Just tap on open a browser on, and once you open the browser just go to roblox.com, the home page of Roblox. And in the once you and on the home page of Roblox, just tap on this menu button and tap on this avatar. Now it says that avatar editor can be opened on Roblox app, but we need to access avatar editor on browser. So to access it, you just need to tap on this a 2A double A and just click on this request desktop site mode. And if you are if you are on a PC, you just need to open this avatar editor. And once you open the avatar editor, just go to head and body and click on this here. And right now you can see that I have selected one hair right now. So if you want to select multiple hair, just hold one hair at a time, copy the link and open a new tab. You can follow these steps on mobile and PC as well. So this is right now I'm doing it on iPad. You can do it on iPad or iPhone as well. So now just to paste the link address and copy the asset ID. Once you copy, come back to avatar editor and just scroll down and tap on this advanced link and just tap on blank asset ID and paste your asset ID over here and just minimize the keyboard and tap on this save again. And guys, boom, your hair will be select. You can see. So if you want to wear multiple hairs, you have to follow the same steps and you will be able to select multiple hairs on Roblox. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.